How to keep confidential data secure on an USB by using Hopedot VOS Security Edition. USB flash drives are used everywhere to store and transfer data at work. We can also see various kinds of encrypted USB drives in the market to cater to the needs of data security. But the headache remains for enterprises, as the staff still can copy the confidential data to the USB and incautiously make them exposed out of office. Hopedot VOS is an advanced software solution for better management of data transfer by using removable storage devices. The following is about how the confidential data will be encrypted into a Hopedot VOS-enabled USB drive, and all the data transfer will be conducted under password authorization. Steps. 1. Download Hopedot VOS Security Edition and install it on a fast-speed USB drive. If you use Hopedot VOS tailor-made USB, you can skip this step, as the software has already been in the USB drive. 2. Install your often used applications, Firefox, Office 2007, Skype etc. into the Hopedot VOS virtual operating system. Then, do the job and save the confidential data only in Hopedot VOS environment. The data will be encrypted in the USB and not accessible without all the passwords. 3. No matter which PC the USB is plugged into, the first layer of protection is that you need to start the Hopedot VOS virtual system with login password. 4. The second layer protection is that you need to input account password before entering the Hopedot VOS environment. 5. After logging into the Hopedot VOS environment, the third layer protection is that you need to input data management password before you can transfer data between the host system of PC and the Hopedot VOS environment. 6. To import data from the host system of PC to the Hopedot VOS enabled USB, find the down arrow on the toolbar and click it. Input the data management password and login. 7. Choose the data you want to import from all the storage location of the host system. It will be automatically saved into the Import and Export Files folder on Hopedot VOS desktop. 8. To export data from the Hopedot VOS environment to the host system of PC, firstly you should make sure the data you want to export has been moved to the Import and Export Files folder on Hopedot VOS desktop. Find the up arrow on the toolbar and click it. Input the data management password and login. 9. Choose the data you want to export and right-click it. Select Export and then select a path to export. 10. If you want to leave the PC with the Hopedot VOS enabled USB for a while, you can unlock the screen of Hopedot VOS system using login password. Tips. The USB could be any fast-speed USB drive. Or you can choose the tailor-made USB by Hopedot VOS company, which features 256-bit AES hardware, encryption and a self-destruct mechanism which activates after the user enters his password incorrectly a certain number of consecutive times. The login password, account password, and the data management password of Hopedot VOS Security Edition can be set up differently to better protect personal or enterprises' confidential data. Enterprises or organizations can control data transfer by password authorization separately using Hopedot VOS-enabled USB. Hopedot VOS is a clean and isolated virtual operating system. All the data in this system will be encrypted and won't be affected by virus. All the data and operations will be saved automatically and be recovered next time to start the Hopedot VOS if accidents like power cut happen. Things. Any fast-speed USB flash drive and install the Hopedot VOS Security Edition on the USB drive or Hopedot VOS tailor-made fast-speed USB with the pre-installation of Hopedot VOS software.